Okay, let's continue. For number 6, write the equation of a line in point-slope form if it passes through the point -1 and 5 and has a slope of -4. So, ang gipangita is ang equation sa usa ka point slope. The technique of solving kung mag-let jud is inyo yung i-identify sa problem pa lang unsay mga clue. So, kani sa number 6, ang clue niya equation kuno sa point slope form. So, automatic inyong tan-awon unsay formula or inyong memorize ang unsay formula ni point slope form. So, the formula of slope form is we have this one, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So, again, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So, ato na siyang pangithaon. So, again, ang given is slope na -4, automatic na natay m. And our -1 and 5 is our x sub 1 and y sub 1 or our 1 point. So, automatic atong i-substitute. So, y minus y sub 1 na 5 and x minus x sub 1 na -4. So, since negative na siya, yun na po na siyang i-simplify. So, negative times negative is automatic positive. So, x plus 1. So, na siya ato ang point slope. Di na siya necessary na ato pa na siyang i-file method. Kaya ang gipangita lang is iyahang slope. So, meaning, pangitawan natin siya sa choices. So, our choices is letter y minus 5 is equal to -4 times x plus 1. So, dili na si a kay y plus 5 man siya, na siya. Letter B, y minus 5, check. Pero, ang isa ka expression is minus, so automatic wrong. So, letter C is our correct answer since y minus 5 is here and x plus 1. So, letter C. So, for number 6 is letter C. Next, we have in the standard form, equation 5x minus 3y is equal to 15. So, what is the x-intercept? So, diri is a standard form naman ang given and then gipangita ang x-intercept. Para mapangita ang x-intercept, it is not mentioned in the discussion earlier, pero para mapangita si intercept, ato ang buhaton, ito siyang isolve, automatic isolve, muna siya atong equation. So, para mapangita si x-intercept, atong buhaton is, atong i-substitute si y as equals to 0. Kana gid siya. Remember gid niyo, kung mag-solve mo x-intercept, si y automatic is 0. Kaya para makuha ang value or makuha na to ang value ng x. So, substitute na to si y is equal to 0. So, 5x minus 3, 0 equal to 15. So, 3 times 0 is automatic 0. So, imutan na nato si 5x. So, para mabilin si x, ito buhaton. As usual, i-divide siya both side by 5. So, wala na si 5. So, x na bilhin, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So, meaning, muna siya itong x-intercept. And then, kung makita ninyo, ma'am, ganun point man na adiha. Kaya again, sa usa ka point or ordered pair is x and y. So, since itong gipangita is, ang gipangita gid sa problem is x-intercept, and then nakuha na itong value ni x, and then gi-assume na ito na si y na 0. So, our final answer will be x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. So, muna siya ito ang point. C, x-intercept x. So, our final answer will be letter, as you can see, maklaro naman siya, letter D. Ang atong answer kasi x-intercept is 3 and y is 0. So, that's it. The answer, dili pwede si A, kay 0 kuno ato, ay 3 kuno atong x-intercept. So, pangitaw na ito kasay x pod na 3. So, that's why nata sa letter D. Next, letter B. Next, we have calculate the slope of a line passing through the points -2, 5, and -2 and 1. Again, ang gipangita is slope of a line passing through the point. So, 2 points na po ang gipangita, P1 and P2. So, automatic, kung slope ang gipangita, our formula is point, slope of a line. This formula, duha siya ka point. So, M is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So again, the first mentioned point is automatic or point 1. So x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. So substitute na to siya. Y sub 2 is equal to 1. Y sub 2 is equal to 1. Y sub 1 is equal to 5. And then, y sub 2 is equal to 2 minus y sub 1 minus y sub 1 is negative 2. Is negative. Ay, negative 2 pala ito. Negative 2 na rin negative. Negative 2. So, automatic. Ato ba siya i-simplify? So, y minus 5 over negative 2. Negative times negative is positive 2. So, pila man ang 1 minus 5? Automatic, negative 4 over negative 2 plus 2, 0. So, again, pag 0 ato ang denominator, automatic undefined siya. So, our answer is automatically letter B. Ayan na siya, guys. Letter B. So, wala siya sa number 8. Letter. Next, we have number 9. What is the xy intercept of a line given by the equation 2x plus 4y is equal to 16? So, ang gipangita is y-intercept. So, again, pag si y-intercept, dito sa ato ang line, o sa si y-intercept is just equals to letter B. So, atong goal, para ma-solve ni siya, our first thing to do, ato ni siyang i-convert si 2x plus 4y is equal to 16. Muna to siyang ingunani na form para makuha na to ang iyahang y-intercept. So, convert it into slope-intercept form. So, kani siya. So, may mo ni siya kung 2x plus 4y, ibili na to si 4y diri na side. And then, kani siya is may mo ni siyang negative 2x. Kagibalhin na to si positive 2x. I-transpose na to siya. May mo siyang negative 2x plus 16. Yun. Again ha, kaya ang goal is y-intercept. So, that's why, ang kanila given equation is ato siyang i-form put into slope-intercept form, this one. So, para mabilin si y, atong buhaton is divide both side by 4. Divide both side by 4. 4 na siya, 4 automatic. So, cancel, bilin si y. So, ang nabilin po diri, negative 2x divided by 4 is automatic negative 1/2 over 16 divided by 4 is 4x over x. So, that's it. So, maano niya siya itong form. Wait a minute. So, itong form sa slope-intercept is mx plus b. So, again, ang ipangita is y-intercept. So, si b is atong y-intercept. Di siya ingon ha, na-solve na nato si y, automatic mo na answer daily. Kaya, ang ipangita is y-intercept. So, pangita na to, kinsa man si y-intercept. So, again, in the slope-intercept form definition, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So, pagitaon na to, kinsa si b? Kaya mao to atong y-intercept. So, as you can see, in the solution, we have 4 is our b, or the y-intercept. So, automatic, the answer for this question is letter C. Y-intercept is equal to 4. Next, last. Which of the following is the point slope form of a line with a slope n of 5 that passes through the origin of 0 and 0? So, unsa daw ang point slope diha? Actually, kung ato ni siyang letter A, y is equal to 5x, letter B, 5x minus y is equal to 0, and C is y plus 0 is equal to 5 times x plus 0. So, as you can see, kung ato na siyang i-simplify, same na na sila og result. Actually, yes, same na siya og result. Kana siya. Cancel na siya. So, may mo siyang 5x plus 4. May mo siyang og y is equal to 5x. And then, kanipod siya, kung ato na siyang i-substitute, kung ato ibalhin si y, 5x is equal to y. So, kung pagitaon niya ang point slope form na ang slope is 5, automatically we can see that all of these are the answer, letter D. So for number 10, the answer is letter D. So that's it for this 10 questions items. So if you have any questions or clarifications, just message our group chat. Thank you everyone, and God bless us all.